Good morning, class 2. So today's class we will do about the topic called multiplication facts. Okay, since you guys are learning the multiplication table since from the very beginning, so we're gonna do some questions related to the multiplications. Okay, so are you ready with the are you ready to solve this question? So let's begin with the first question. Which multiplication fact is represented by the picture below? Okay, so there is a picture of a dice. Okay, there's a picture of two dice over here, and each dice showing there is a six dots in each dice. So that means there is six, and this is also six. So what you have to find out what multiplication fact is represented by this dice. So I have given four options over here. So whether it is 2 multiplied by 6 or 3 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 3 or 6 multiplied by 6. Okay, so I have given four options over here. So you have to choose which one is the correct option. Okay, and let's move to the next question. Some more questions. Okay, now the next question. Which multiplication fact is represented by the picture below? So as you can see over here, there are four dice given, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each of them showing that it contains only one dot. Okay, one dot, 1, 1 and 1. So there are four dice with one dot each. So in this case you have to find out which multiplication fact is represented by this one. Okay, we have four options over here: 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 2. So it's up to you whether you choose any of this option which is perfect for this answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, in the next question, so the question is saying multiplication fact represent below, and you have to find out from these three dices. Okay, there are three dices with 3 dot in each. Okay, that means you have to choose the correct option from here. So 3, whether it is 3 multiplied by 4 or 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 1 or 3 multiplied by 2. So if you don't understand what I'm saying right here, is you can consider this one over here. Okay, this one over here, it is a number of dice. Okay, and this one over here is the number of dots. You can take example like this and you need to solve by yourself. Okay, and I request all the parents, just explain the question only, try and let them try on their own. Okay, let them try to solve the question by their own. Please don't help them. Okay, so that they will understand by themselves. Okay, now next question. Okay, so let's do the another question. So in this question we have to fill the empty space with some of these options given here. Okay, so the question says fill in the blank. Okay, 5 multiplied by 0. So anything multiplies with a 0 comes what? I have already taught you in the previous class. So if anything multiplies with a 0, the answer is dash. So you have to fill it. So some of these options, okay, any one of this, from any one of this you have to choose the correct option. Okay, either it is 50, 10, 0 or 5. So I'll leave it to you. So you need to fill it by your own. So, and the next question, which is similar, fill in the blank with 7 multiplied with something is equal to 7. So you have to find the missing number over here. So which is the one number? So you have to find it from here. Okay, I have given some options: 7, 0, 1 and 4. So which is the correct one? You need to fill it over here. Okay, and the next question, next question we have here is fill in the blank with if 10 is being multiplied with 1, what will be the answer here? You have 4 options over here. Is it 10, 1 or 0 or 5? So you can choose any of this and fill it over here. Okay, it's very simple. You know what comes, what is the answer, so you have to fill it over there. Okay, so that's all for today. We're gonna do some more in the next class. Thank you.